Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to quickly set up a Cinemachine camera in Unity 6 for a 2D project. Let's get started. In case you deleted the main camera, you can add one. First, select your main camera in the scene. Since this is a 2D project, make sure the camera's projection is set to orthographic. You can adjust the orthographic size here if you want to zoom in or out a little. Next, we need to add a Cinemachine Virtual Camera. Right-click in the hierarchy, go to Cinemachine, create Cinemachine Camera. If you don't see the Cinemachine options, you'll need to open the package manager, search for Cinemachine, and install it first. Now, drag your character game object into the tracking target field of the Cinemachine camera. Next, and this part is very important, in the virtual camera settings, under position control, make sure set to follow. Sometimes, if you accidentally delete and recreate your Cinemachine camera, Unity might reset this option, so you'll have to set it back to follow, otherwise the camera won't track your character. You can adjust the lens size for the virtual camera, similar to how you adjusted it for the main camera. By adding Cinemachine camera, Unity will automatically add its cinematic brain component to main camera. Finally, press play, and slightly move your character. Now you'll see the Cinemachine camera smoothly follows the player. And that's it. That's how you set up a Cinemachine camera to follow your character in Unity 6 for a 2D project. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Unity tips.